Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ranjan Speaks. Today I will be sharing the second tip on how we can have a wonderful day, a great day. If you have seen my previous video, you will know that the first tip is to wake up early. Now after you wake up early, what do? Do moderate exercises. Yes, this is my second tip on how we can have a great and wonderful day. Do moderate exercises. There is no need for me to tell you the benefits that come when we do moderate exercises every day. It helps in many ways. Our physical health improves. It helps our heart. It helps our respiratory system. It helps our circulatory system, our muscular tone. It improves the growth and development of our muscles. And also our brain, our mental abilities are sharpened because there is more oxygen and blood flowing to our brain. And that is why our mental powers will improve. We can remember things more clearly and understand difficult concepts because our brain works more efficiently if we do regular exercises. And what about emotional health? Yes, many doctors suggest, especially to those who are going through depression and emotional difficulties, problems, doctors suggest that they do moderate exercises every day for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It helps them improve their moods because the brain produces a hormone or a chemical called dopamine. And dopamine is the happiness hormone. It kind of gives you a sense of euphoria. It gives you a good feeling. So when we do exercises regularly, our brain produces dopamine, and dopamine gives us a sense of joy, happiness. So exercises are good for our physical health, our mental health, as well as our emotional well-being. It is also good to be of service to others. If we do regular exercises, then we become physically fit. And then if we find someone in trouble, say for example your family member or a friend is lying unconscious, if you are physically fit, you will be able to support that individual, lift that individual, take him or her to the hospital perhaps. But if you are not physically fit, you won't be able to provide any assistance to others. So being physically fit has many advantages. Now many people know that exercising regularly, moderate exercises are beneficial. But they shy away from exercising. Do you know why? Because they have a wrong idea about exercise. They think the moment you say do some exercise, they think of joining a gym, having a personal trainer, or running and jogging on a beach or a park. So they think, oh, it's not easy, it's not for me. But that is not the only form of exercise. There are simpler exercises, easier exercises that you can do in the comfort of your home. There are certain exercises which you can do right on your bed itself. If you have a floor mat, then you can do simple exercises on the floor. Maybe you can even do sit-ups or crunches or spot jogging or skipping. Simple exercises are enough. If you do them just for 10 or 15 minutes every day, that can give you many advantages, many benefits. Now, some people don't have the motivation to do these exercises. One suggestion is to turn on some peppy music. That kind of gives you the motivation to do some exercise in your house itself. But if the music is too loud and you don't want to disturb the neighbors, then put on your headphones and do those exercises, whatever it is, whatever method you choose. Do them regularly, do them every day. As I just mentioned, exercising every day, moderate exercises, 10 or 15 minutes every day can bring many benefits to you, to your physical health, to your emotional and mental health as well. You can be of help and service to others. So the second tip for having a great day, do moderate exercises every day. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to share this with your friends, and if you have subscribed to this, well and good. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you will get my videos regularly. Thank you so much.